Welcome to Wolf Ranch, Georgetown's very own Texas hill country oasis, hidden alongside the scenic San Gabriel River. Wolf Ranch is an award-winning master plan community by Hillwood and offers a range of amenities. Wolf Ranch features two amenity centers, the Den at Hilltop and River Camp in South Fork. Residents can find a playground, a large indoor lounge and kitchen area, fitness center, splash pad, and expansive outdoor patios and pools. You'll find stunning views overlooking the San Gabriel River and plenty of trails to enjoy. Wolf Ranch also features an award-winning lifestyle program with a full calendar of events and social clubs, like walking and jogging groups, card and board games, yoga, blood drives, and more. Wolf Ranch is served by Georgetown ISD and is home to on-site Wolf Ranch Elementary, which opened in the fall of 2020. Students in Wolf Ranch are also zoned for Tippett Middle School and Eastview High School, each within 10 minutes of the community. Wolf Ranch Hilltop features three builders, David Weekley, Drees, and Coventry Homes. David Weekley started building homes in 1976 in Houston, Texas, and as a company, they want to make a positive impact in the lives of everyone they touch and in all the communities in which they build. Their homes range in size from 2,200 to 3,800 square feet, and prices starting from $585,000 to $743,000. They have both inventory and ground-up new construction available. Coventry has been building Texas homes since 1988 and is consistently ranked among the nation's top home builders. They offer flexibility, quality, and an exceptional customer service. At Hilltop, Coventry is offering floor plans from 2,800 to 4,100 square feet and priced from $774,000 to $914,000. They have inventory and ground-up new construction as well. The Drees model home at Hilltop is one of my most favorite model homes in the entire Austin area. Drees is offering homes from 2,400 to 3,800 square feet. They do have some quick move-in inventory, and they offer ground-up new construction with semi-custom designs so that you can build exactly the home you've dreamed about. Their pricing starts from $650,000 to $985,000. As they are moving into the final phases of Wolf Ranch Hilltop, there are still some opportunities for golf course lots that back to the Georgetown Country Club with stunning views. At South Fork, you can find even more builders, including Pulte Homes. Pulte has several affordable options, with inventory homes priced from the low 500s to mid 600s, ranging from 1,900 to 2,850 square feet. They also have ground-up new construction options that allow for design center appointments, with base prices starting from $440,000 to $550,000. Highland Homes has been building award-winning homes throughout Texas for over 40 years, providing a high level of quality, customer care, and architectural beauty. Highland has inventory homes available in the mid to high 500s and ground-up construction homes starting at $485,000. Perry Homes, with a tradition of high quality, superior design, and innovation, has been building luxury homes across Texas since 1967. In Wolf Ranch, Perry has several inventory homes to choose from, and some have no neighbors behind. Their inventory is priced from $575,000 to $737,000 and 2,200 to 3,000 square feet. They also have a wide range of floor plan options to choose your lot and build, with prices starting at $545,000. Lennar has brought a truly innovative home style to the market, offering the nation's largest collection of 3D printed homes in Wolf Ranch. With 8 distinct floor plans, Lennar completes each home with the latest in home technology and high-end finishes, such as metal roofs and vaulted ceilings. And all homes will have rooftop solar panels. With inventory ranging from the mid-400s to the high 500s, Lennar has given buyers the unique opportunity to own a truly state-of-the-art home. Right next door is Wolf Ranch Town Center, the brand new H-E-B, and a short drive to the town square. Wolf Ranch is conveniently located for local shopping, dining, and entertainment. Also, with I-35 only a half-mile away, quick access to Austin or nearby towns is easy. Wolf Ranch is where the good life meets the great outdoors. If you are looking for a new home in Georgetown or the surrounding area and would like to talk with a new home expert that can help you discover the options available to you, we'd love to chat. Feel free to reach out for a no-obligation consultation with our team. We're Chris and Rachel Bennett with Wildwood Group, your favorite Georgetown area realtors. Talk soon.